Do you want to build a killer budget-friendly PC under $55,000? First up is the Intel i5-12400F, and combined with the MSI B760M Bomber Wi-Fi motherboard. For memory, we've gone with 16GB Corsair Vengeance DDR4 RAM. In terms of storage, our build will include a WD Green's 500GB Nvme SSD. The WD Blue 1TB HDD provides plenty of storage without sacrificing performance. The Esports Elite 1100 mid-tower gaming cabinet combines all of these components effectively. The MSI Mag 650W 80+ bronze SMPS drives our build. We added the Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card to have a wonderful gaming experience. That's it. A killer gaming PC build on a budget. Like and subscribe for more awesome builds.